Alright guys, let's have a look at the BelAire line of air compressors. Soon to be available at our website, redlinestands.com. Just going to show you a couple of the units they brought to the show here, just so you can kind of get an idea how they're constructed, what do they look like. Let's have a look at these welds here. Real nice looking welds. Definitely a full industrial air compressor. And we'll go around behind me here and have a look at a gas-powered unit. Fully shrouded. Really nice looking compressor piston assembly here. And you can see this one is outfitted with a new Honda. It looks like this one is also equipped with electric start. We'll have a look at one more compressor over here behind me. Smaller unit for your shop. I would consider this a big residential or a small industrial application compressor. Nice looking unit. And those are the BelAire line of air compressors.